Hello, today I am going to show you how to fix Instax Mini 12 not taking pictures. So let's start the main video. First, replace batteries. Now reinsert new batteries. Use fresh or alkaline batteries. Now check correct polarity. Now check film cartridge. Align yellow dots with reader. Ensure cartridge not empty. Now check the lens and flash. Twist lens until it clicks. Selfie mirror should pop out. Now wait for constant flashlight. If this problem isn't fixed, then contact with Fujifilm. They can provide repair option. If your Instax Mini 12 is not taking pictures, the issue is usually caused by weak or incorrectly inserted batteries, improperly loaded film, or the camera not being fully powered on. Replacing the batteries with fresh alkaline ones, reloading the film correctly, and restarting the camera will fix most problems. If the shutter still doesn't respond after these checks, the camera may have an internal fault, and professional service or replacement may be necessary. And that's it. Thanks for watching.